Workshop focuses on the process, not just the product. A foundational goal of Workshop is to engage in the skill building and design process, including meaningful practice, proposals, research, project development, publishing, and presentation. Each of these are codependent. One cannot exist without those components that precede it if the goal is to develop something truly effective. Through this current mission of collaborative inquiry, students are trying their hand at different roles in their group, such as negotiator, collector, and consultant, to practice approaches and language that bolster strong teams in a collaborative academic setting. Yes, these skills are ultimately transferable to later experiences that students will have as adults, most commonly referred to as the real world. But this season and this mission are also the real world for these students. AJ Giuliani, leader in project-based learning and Genius Hour, says it best. Our job as teachers is not to prepare kids for something. Our job is to help kids learn to prepare themselves for anything. To foster this approach, students are not seeing the full design process through to the project development, publishing, and presentation level. Instead, students will evaluate the process through proposal and research in order to solidify a foundation of effective group work in any setting. A close look at the process of learning collaboratively will help students evaluate the roles that they play personally in the successes or the challenges their group encounters. This practice of evaluation and reflection necessitates critical thinking and later application of learned habits and skills as students encounter more and more opportunities to collaborate in the future, thus fulfilling our school's motto, "We learn not for school, but for life."